Hey guys, what's up? Just to let you know, Windows 8, you click on the speaker here, you click on the mixer down there, and you got everything that you have up here. If, it should have that too. I should also have this. But let's, get something that has noise to it. Let's get Ask off of here again, for criminy sakes. Ugh. I hate you, Ask. Anyway. Let me show you what I was going to show you first. Okay, but anyway, you have control over everything here, and it should be everything there, but Windows 8 isn't perfect, that's for dang sure. So, you can control every sound of everything. So let me go ahead and use this, actually, I've got a way around it. Just go to your Gmail, and then go to this Google search here, and then we can get away from Ask. Now, what word I want to go to Google now for? Yeah, see how Google popped up down here? That's what I was trying to get to happen. And also you can use this to go to YouTube. It's a little handy to have those so you don't have to go type stuff in. You can just click where you need to go. Okay. Okay, awesome god dubstep. And 2, 1, and okay, another thing, I'm gonna show you how to hook up your Xbox controller. So, let me control these volumes here. See what I mean? You can control all your volumes. Minecraft. Your dubstep. So you can kind of mix them together when you're recording. I'm recording on this. And that's free. This Xpatter you can donate and get it. I got the 5.7 on my Windows 8, and in order to start it, you have to do this. You have troubleshoot compatibility. I know I already got mine started. I'm showing you how to do this real quick. You click on the bottom one, troubleshoot the program. You click on the first one, the program worked in earlier versions. You click on Windows 7, you click next, and you do not click that. You click here, right click, run as administrator. And when you run it as administrator on Windows 8, every time you go through this process to get it up, it will always come up. Right now, I just refreshed my Windows 8. So I have to reuse this download here that thank God I still have, because when you refresh your Windows 8 it keeps all your files, but it does change some things. It may get rid of some apps that you've put on there and things like that. So Xbox 360 you have to put in back in every time I refresh. So you double click on that, get that. Let me show you where to get it again. Well, I'm not showing you again, but let's go back to my thing so I can get to Google search, because I'm tired of Ask and I don't want to go through taking it off again right now, because I re-downloaded the Java 7 and I got that even though I clicked out not to get it. Alright, so now we wanted to go to search, and we wanted to search for the Xbox 360 cordless, no, wireless. Wireless controller driver Windows 8. Let's go back. Right, Microsoft, www.microsoft.com. Just follow me there. Alright, now you're going to go to downloads. Now you're going to go to gaming. Xbox 360 controller for Windows. Wireless controller for Windows. Let's click that. Now you're going to see this. What operating system are you using? Windows 7 if you have Windows 8. If you have Windows 8 32-bit, do 732. If 64-bit, do the 764. Get the Windows 7 64 if you're in 64 like me. Download it, and you will have what I have here, which I already double-clicked and installed. It's easy to do. Then I have it, and I installed it. But after I install it, it's still not and okay. When you go to use your controller, you get one of these. It's an Xbox 360 receiver, and if you plug it into your computer, it will install itself. The software that I just got works in combination with this. This sends the signal to this. If you only have corded, when you plug in your corded one should find what it needs itself. If not, you can look up the driver for a Xbox corded one. So now what we need to do is we have this turned on. You see the little magnifying glass. It's searching for the Xbox 360. I already installed it, yet I still have to do this. You have to right click on this bottom left hand corner below, a place where you wouldn't think you would, do that. Right there where you go back to the start in the corner, very left hand corner, right click and go to Device Manager. In Device Manager, you want to look for unknown device. This will be the name of your computer, and it'll go all the way down past audio, past human, past mice, monitors, network, adapters, and then other devices. Under that, it'll say unknown device. Right click unknown device. Update driver software. Search automatically, no. Browse my computer driver, no. Let me pick from a list of device drivers. Now go all the way to the bottom. Should be right there. Xbox 360 peripherals. Click next. Now you want to choose Xbox 360 controller for Windows, wireless controller via Play Charge Kit, no. Xbox 360 wireless controller via, I don't have Charge Kit for mine. Let's see. Xbox 360 wireless receiver for Windows version 6.2. Windows version 2.1. I'm going to go ahead and click this one. I usually click the top one, but I'm going to click that one. Now let's go to next. Installing this device, blah, blah, blah. Click it. Xbox 360 wireless receiver for Windows. Windows has finished installing the driver software for this device. Close. Now let's see if yep, see, it's all there now. Now, if I unplug the batteries, which you can't see me right this second, hold on. Alright, if I click on this, it's called Now You See Me. If you get this, it's called Now You See Me. You have to start it with Run as Administrator on Windows 8. If it does not work sometimes, I have both of my cameras plugged in. If it does not work sometimes, go ahead and do the same thing we did before for the Xbox, for the X-Patter. Troubleshoot the program. The program worked in earlier. Next. Windows 7. Next. Test the program. Don't test it there. Go to the program, which is right here. Right click it. Run as administrator. Yes. And sometimes you don't have to do that. You can run as administrator. I found out with this one. But for the X-Patter, you have to do the troubleshooting compatibility first. Okay, now we can get out of that. We don't need this anymore. And this we just put down. I've already made all the settings I need to make from my Minecraft settings. And basically what you do, you have to have this picture here. It's a PNG. And it's just a picture of a controller. And then you put in all of these. Like say if I click on that, whatever button on my keyboard I want this button to be, I just push it here and it'll put that here. So for that mouse pad, I just clicked on this mouse pad here and it went to here. And that's how you program your thing. It's pretty easy. And then you can have different ones, and you name, this will be like the keys and how they're set up, and this one will be the information that makes them bind to it. So these will be two different ones, like this is here where I have Chewy and Choose Me. These both go together. This would be comes from here, and this one comes from right here. And to change the file name and stuff like that, like you can go to save as, and it's already Chewy. I'm keeping it as Chewy though. Overwrite, it's technically the same thing. So I'm just gonna put that down now, and now I can bring my Minecraft up and go to my multiplayer. How to add a server. Hopefully that'll open on 1.7.9. Come on, baby, you can do it. Oh, do I have to turn it on? Did I turn it on? Oh, now I gotta have a 1.7.9. Damn it. Alright, but anyway, you guys see the controller working. It's like, okay, let's go to cancel. Let's go to single player. Create new world. Alright, I'm creating a world. and you'll be able to see me moving around. You can see that I can move my mouse around with my thing, and I also wanted to show you this. Let's get the X pattern back out here. Okay. You can see that I have the light is on, it's green. Okay, I'm going to unplug it and watch what happens. Now watch what happens when I turn it on. See, everything came right back up on there because it's on its memory. It's good. It's pretty awesome. Alright, we're gonna put that down, back to game. And now oh yeah, I'm in survival, so I can't fly. But I don't hardly ever play survival because I don't know, I think survival is like, I like to create. That's my thing. I mean, I kind of would do some survival stuff, I guess. I get bored enough of creating, but I really like creating. Yeah, I guess the first thing you want to do when you get in is dig a hole, because if it gets dark too soon, you're really going to need a hole. But then another thing I like to do is dig a hole right next to a tree like this. And let's dig a little pathway over to the other tree so we can get this wood here. And let's go down a little bit so we can get under the tree. And we can do this to get all that wood. But we're also going to dig us a little hole into the ground so we can go build stuff and not be bothered by anything. Alright, so there you have that. And I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to restart the video, okay? So give me a second here. And that's how you do the Xbox 360. Alright, see you guys later. Check out the next video if you want to see the continuation of this video.